Becomes yun now. Receiver basketball. Kick out number 7. Ready to shoot. Kick out number 23. Air ball. Here comes Raisus now with the basketball. Finding opportunity in offense. Raisus. Didiscarte rito. Raisus. Kick out Maki. Oh, good. Rebound dito para sa Kahores. No good again. Here comes Sonoria on the drive. Aipiton. Still by Corey Digos. Corey on the fast break. Wow. First people. Corozio will look at ball. What will they do now? Number 80 puts up a 3. No good. Rebound, put up by number 39 ng Corozio. Maki. Last by number 7. Raisus facilitating ang offense. Raisus, anong gagawin niya dito? Ball of a shot clock. Raisus, finding man. Puts up a jumper. Oh, good. Here comes Roy Hisu basketball. Number 7 on offense. Good by his teammate. Shot down to 15. Guys, gonna shoot. Take. Who's a floater? No good. Great defense there. Put up. Not a miss. Rebound meron eh. Here comes Maki with the basketball. Maki with the basketball. Maki now. Guys, got the shoot. He puts up 3. That's good for Maki Pellegrino. First shot of the off-campus residences. A 3 ball for Maki Pellegrino. 18 points still here for Raisus. Off-campus with the basketball. Finding Maki again. Finding opportunity in offense. Fine foul. Score natin 2-3 in favor of Campus. Magandang depensa ang ginagawa ng Iputi. Maki for 3. Short. Rebound here for Corozio. Anong gagawin ng Corozio? Number 30 in offense. Finding number 7. Finding inside. That's good for Corozio. 4-3 na ating talaan. Finding for basketball. Pass, out of bounds. Bola ng Corozio. Corozio now with basketball. The post. Kicked out. Nag-isip dito ang Corozio ng opensa. Finding inside. Still hit for Maki. Great steal. Maki na post off. Maki na basketball. Finding Maki for 3. Shot. Rebound here for Corozio. And instead, small game here for both teams. 4-3 ating talaan. Kanina outside. Itano floater. No good. Rebound fast break here for Corozio. Nagmamadali dito Corozio. Nagpagdo. That's good. For number 30. Great start here for Corozio College. Digos. Kanya pass the ball. Matt, reload. Great ball movement here for the Campus. Floater. That's good. For Maki Pellegrino. Great in. Puro shopper. Floater for Maki Pellegrino. He has now 5 points. in the first quarter. Maki Pellegrino. Number 7 pulls up a jumper. No good. Rebound here for Carrizo College. Kick out to number 26. He pulls up 3. Bam! 3 ball for number 26 ng Carrizo. Fighting now. Bumangga. No good. Great defense. For a foul for Carrizo College. Bulas here. Bulas and open. Isolates. Pass Damag. Bulas isolates the basketball. Bulas sa fighting offense. Behind Damag. Puts up 3. That's good. Struggling pa dito off campus. 26. He pull up Troy. Back-to-back 3 points by number 26 ng Carrizo College of Digos. JN rise, he flies, short. Carrizo now with the basketball. Carrizo, he pulls up for 3, he check. Bam! That's good. 3 straight threes by number 26 ng Carrizo. 14-5 nating dalaan. 15-5 rather. Turnover, great defense there for Carrizo. Number 7 with the basketball. Finding to his teammates. On the post. Kicks out. Hidra, he floaters. Off court. Rebound Marine. Maki now with the offense. Finding straight to the shot. Anong gagawin Maki dito? Maki drive. He spins. What a move for Maki. He answers the 3-9-0 run for Carrizo. Yung sumaw Pwede. Move back. No good. Kick out dito. Reload. He puts up the again. Oh good. He rebound here for Rene. Last na with the basketball. Anong gagawin ng half-campus? 15-7 ating dalaan. Maki now with a move. Maki now with the handles. Maki. Fake. What a shot. No good. Rebound. Struggle here for half-campus in first quarter. Great team ball movement here for Carrizo. Push floater, no good. Big one for here for Maki. Maki in offense. Anong gagawin ni Maki now? Maki, one ball screen. Ayag. Last now, he puts up a 3. Oh, good. A struggle here for off campus. 3 minutes and 10 seconds long. First period. Number 7, he floats layup. No good. 15-7. Bulasa with the basketball. Finding opportunity in offense. Bulasa. Bulasa hesitant to shoot. Ayag with the jumper. Short. A board here for Carrizo College of Digos. Number 30. Finding his teammates. He pulled up wrong. Air ball. Great defense for both teams. But namang dito, ang Carrizo College of Digos 7 with 2 minutes and 41 seconds of our first quarter in our ball game. Shout out to 5K followers and viewers natin dyan. Pinasok na Kasin. Gagaw. Sika na with basketball. 152 now. Sika. Great team defense here. Patergonia. Buddy places himself inside with 2 points. 59. Bisaya hit goal on 3. Bisaya lumista na dito para sa Gorisol College of Digos. That's a fourth 3-point shot for Gorisol College of Digos. Comes pass. Hey, offense there for Rob Campos. Maras dito. Finding Baterbonia on 2 points. Bulasa now, this is with a move, great pass by Ayag. Oh, now 3-ball here for Bulasa. He puts up jumper, struggle. Foul. 20-11 ating score. Lamang ang Gorisol College. Bulasa now. Dito Bahinte. Finding Ulitin. He blows up floater. That's down for Bahinte. Nakawala doon sa depensa ng Gorisol College. Because Bulasa now, finding Sika ng offense. Bulasa with the basketball. Bulasa. Great defense here for Saya. Saya, Bulasa with a move. Wow! Nakawala si Gia Carlo Bulasa. Seconds play. Bisaya now on the basketball. Finding Banner. A chase down there for Bulasa. For 2015. Here comes Bisaya now. On offense. Bisaya. Kick out to number 31. Kick out. Center for teammates. Great defense here for Campos. Struggling to offense. He puts up 3. No good. Rebound here for running by niya. Finding si Sikan. Bulasa again. Shot lang 15. Bulasa. Double team. Bahinting with the basketball. Bahinting with the move. Dito screen here for Elijah Quintao. Bulasa. Oh good. Last 16 seconds remaining in first quarter. What a pass here for Bulasa. For out of bounds. Kanang take-off. Highlight of take-off for sa kuwan ba? Notator. Sisiga na Maki now with the basketball. Last 7 seconds to shoot. Maki in offense. Screen here for Quintao. He rejected the screen. Foul. Foul there for jersey number 31. Maki now tries once again. He puts up the 3. A short for Maki. Winding down offense. Cut clock. Naipin to the side. Winding Maki. Maki now on offense. What a fake. Short. Bola ng off campus. Winding now remove. Nakalusot with a floater. That's good. Rises Winding. what the? Shot, maliit, pero malupit. Raisus binding. Corizo now in offense. He puts up a jumper. That's good for CJ Visaya. What an answer there. I'm saying Pellegrino now. Need hard drive. Wow, off board. Hard rebound there. But foul. A great, both teams doing a great work on defense here, both ends. Magandang depensa. 22-17 nating dala with 8 minutes, with 9 minutes in our ball game in second quarter. Number 39 ang basketball. Give it to Puro. Number 4. Baterbonia on the post. Right find there for Baterbonia to his teammates inside for 2 points. Marky, anong discarding gagawin dito? Makina ang tumatawag na play. Finding Lloyd. Fake. He puts up a jumper. Lloyd, no good. Out of bounds. Bola ng Corizo College. Bulasa and Sonoria in for off campus. Baterbonia on offense. Baterbonia versus Baterbonia. Finding his teammate. Screen dito para Baterbonia. Pick and roll. Great defense there. Great defense there for off-campus rebound there for Bulasa. Paano makakabawi ang off-campus residences now? Alley-oop. Kick out. Lloyd with a jumper. Upward. A strong play here for Lloyd Wage. Twenty-four 17. Lamang ang Orso. Visaya putre. Hey, go forward. Rebound there for Rene Baterbonia. Raisus now with basketball. Anong gagawin ng off-campus dito? Finding opportunity in basketball. Raisus, pick and roll with Baterbonia. Great and one! May kasama pang foul. Extra points for Bulasa Baterbonia right there. Great roll. A classic pick and roll with Raisus and Baterbonia. Old school basketball. Miss. 12-4-90 nating talaan. Visaya now. Finding 31. Finding the post. He gets out to number 4. A board here for Sonoria. Here comes Bulasa with the basketball. Finding Baterbonia versus number 13. A great defense there. Block foul for CJ Visaya. Whoa! What the pass right there! Nice execution. Rock Campus Residences. And we are now 3-point ball game, 24-21 in second quarter. Great team ball movement here for Corizo. Visaya fakes, he drives, he puts up a jumper. Good for Visaya. Grabe, walang kupa si CJ Visaya dito. He comes off campus na nakatawid na opensa. Ball screen here for Sanoria. Finding Matt for three. Really out. Forward here for Orizo College. Number 30 ng basketball. Great. Bisaya wide open three. That's good. For CJ Bisaya. A back-to-back shot there for CJ Bisaya. Nag-iinit na dito. A steal for number 30. He puts the layup. No good. A foul right there. Wow. CJ Bisaya nag-iinit na dito para sa Corizo. Binding an offense. Binding. What a great zone defense there for Corizo. Saroy lumipad. Off short. Gandang depensa ng Corizo pinapakita dito sa first half. Great team ball movement. Look at that, a jumper. Off board, here, rebound. There for Sanoria. Sanoria with a move. Sanoria, great find. Patahipin sa motherboard niya inside. Paalala lang po ng college ang nakakalaban ng off-campus. But nothing is excused right now. Gandang pinapakita ng Corizo College of Digos. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. 29-21 ating dala in second quarter. Lamang Corizo Digos. Makin for here for off campus. Yes. Here comes Corizo now with the basketball. What a pass upward. Rebound here for Rene. Mula sa finding offense. Ang gagawin ng off-campus. What a nice pop. Nermonia puts up a jumper. Rebound here for Sonoria. Matt puts up a three. Upward. What a deep pass. Great find there for Sonoria to Bulasa. Shout out kay Paul Sturgante watching now. Boy, kailangan ka na boy. Shout out kay Aaron Gilas watching. Score natin 29-23. Lamang ang Corizo Digos. Corizo College nagpapaulan dito ng 3 in first half. Grabing shooting yan. Maki now with the basketball, finding opportunity in offense. Maki now. Maki what a move with a handle. He got Bulasa. Bulasa by with a move. Naipit doon inside. Great defense there for Corizo. Corizo now. He puts up a three. Boom! Grabe ang Corizo. (35-23). Sisiga na ipit nito. Foul. Akin na, finding. Tama for three. A rebound there for Baterbonia. Gandang Yung depensa daw ng off-campus. Paano makakabawi ng off-campus now? Makin offense. Finding Ayag and jumper inside. No good. A hard rebound of foul. Katulong ka pa. Dula sa Lazada sa Dula sa Lazada ay sa GTC. Open mo na ni Bulasa. 26 up puts up 3. In and out. Grabe si 26. Gusto pang pagpaulan. Maki pull up 3. Short. Struggle here for off campus. Paano makaka-recover? Maki now with the basketball. Maki lumipad! Maki Pellegrino! Nagkapiba sa ere. Katawag na dito si Ghost Chess. Great defense. But a great move rather. Rebound. Oh, almost still that. On post. Number 626. Oh, good. Maki now. Not wide open. Crazy to run here for off-campus residences. Timeout for Cory Zodegos. 35-29. What a pass. Block guy for Baterbonia. About 2 points. One, two zone here for Orisu College. Sisikan. Maki na on offense. Anong gagawin? Maki struggling to pass. Tama Grimes. Awkward. Grabe ang bibilis ng Orisu College. 4-0 run. Binawi lang. Sikan with the basketball. Inflection. And one for Marco Sisikan. Great answer there for off campus. 39-11 natin talaan. A great crowd here for off campus and Orisu College here in Babak Samal Island. A bonus shot here for Marcus Sisikan. Sisikan bonus shot. So good. Great defense here for Bulasa. Oh! Out of bounds bola ng Orisu. Oh, great shot there. Naka-knockout play pa ng Orisu. Bulasa now, mainting. Bulasa again. Bulasa. Wow. Great experience here for off-campus residences against a much mature team, Orisu College Davao. Tuwagin for Maki Pellegrino. Bulasa. First shot. Off good. Kinakapapa ni Bulasa ang opensa niya dito. Oh, good. Here comes number 26 on offense. Out of bounds. I think ito rin ang buo. Grabe, nagpasayaw si Raisus. But still. A fast break there for Corizo College. 43-31. Last 14 seconds in first half. 1-2-2 zone here for Lloyd. Finding Ayad. Raizo, he pull up wrong. Oh, pointing out to Raizo. Monkey. Oh, good. He puts up a jumper. That's good for Maki Pellegrino. A pull-up jumper. Grabe, nakatawid agad si CJ Bisaya. Now, binding. Finding Rene on the post. He's trying to post inside. Great defense. Parang pader. 5 shot clock. Fake. Maki again. Turnover. Rorizo recent here. Isaiah against Rene. Isaiah. Finding inside, naman a block para foul. Corizo with the basketball. Finding Isaiah. Oy! Isaiah with a move. Oh, foul. Maki now back to basketball. Maki finding Matt wide open three. Off good. Bola dito ng Corizo College. Number 7 na ISO. Munti kang nakalusot. Rebound here po sa Noria. Sanoria, finding. Tinapon na lang ng layup, no good, pero foul, oh no foul. Bola na off campus. Here comes Maki with a basketball. Inbounds play. Finding JM on offense. Matt, great team movement here. Maki, he check. No good. Finding Gordre. In and out. Great effort there for JM, but out of bounds. Off game ngayon, off campus. What a great defense there. Pinapagita dito ng Corizo College. In and out. Travel. Sinisigaw na si Coach Jess dito. Ano makabawi ang off-campus? Maki now with the basketball, finding offense. Starting opportunity to shoot. Maki, sasayaw. Maki, great defense. Turnover again. A fast break here for Isaiah. Isaiah, lumipad! Show rhyme. Sanoria and one. May kasama mga foul. But off campus here can't afford. Kailangan na nilang humikpit ng depensa. 47-35 ating talaan in our board game third quarter. With 6 minutes and 56 seconds in the third quarter. Shout out, bossing. JM in a bonus shot. Sanoria, that's good. Number 7 here for Mauricio. Pass offense there, but no good. Grabe pass offense dito para for both teams. Paano babawi ang off-campus? Rene on ball screen. Rene ISO. Sanoria drives! Woo! Damn, Sanoria! He skies the rim for 2 points. Shot clock goes here for Corzo. Isaiah on ball screen. Isaiah, he drives tonight. Naipitan nito. Shot clock violation. Nakabawi sa defense ang off-campus. 47-38 ating talaan. Shout out to 7,000 viewers natin dyan. Shout out sa ating mga shoutout. Hindi ko mabasa yung comments nyo pero shout out sa inyo lahat. Mainting na with basketball. Paano makakabawi? Rises. Horn set play. Double staggered street. JM. Early on the post. Matt. Portre. Miss again. Mula sa wow. Put back. There. Great board there. Mula sa anong pinagkagawa mo dito? Grabe na. Isaiah. Great stop there. Rises down the basketball. Rises Sanoria. Antitibay ng katawan ng Corzo College. Wala po sa nagtanod. And si Esther Dante. Number 7 here, nagbabalik for Corzo. Still there for off campus. Plaza. Kick out, Suayag. Block. A putback, no good. A point blank range, wala pa rin there for off campus. Offensive wow! Block there. Bater Bonia. Wag dito boy. Hindi Bater Bonia. Status sa game for Corzo College. 47-38 ating talaan in third quarter. Rises down, ball screen, nakawala! Grabe! Rises, 19! Grabe naman yun. Paano makakabawi ako? Preso. Great defense there. Sanoria on the run. Sanoria drives. Great find. That's good. Coral Damag from Samal Island. (42-47). JM, Paterbonia, stop there for out of bounds.
And now position of campus.
Munti ka ng ginawa ang fan doon.
3 minutes and 46 seconds remaining for the third period. Papak ngayon sa 5 para sa Corus and Eagles.
Pabasa 5, kumang.
Campus pahintingin.
Fighting with a move. Fighting now with a handle. Out of bounds. Ganda na sana, sayang. 47-42 ating dalan. Ayagin Warrior for off campus. Great team ball movement here. Upward. Great defense there for off campus. Ayag with the power rebound but a foul for Cory Sug. A great addition here for off-campus residences. Number 29, Ayag. Five-point lead now. Bulasa with the handle. Ayag for save. No good. Grabe dito. Number 26. Woo! Munti ka na si number 26 doon. Laro. Ang gili lang mga player, bay. Tabades. Tabades. An unfortunate shot. A letter there for Marcus Sikan. Magic Kudong in and Rises in Bor off campus. Shout out to 7.7 viewers. Shot clock 14 para Sports. Corson offense. Aras pa si Sikan. Aras pa yung Jason there. Woo! Nice defense there for si Jason. Pellegrino with a push! What a move para no good. Corizo na fast break. Panterino. Corizo. 49-42 ating galaan. A great ball game here in Babak Samal Island. Ganda ng soga nito ng katawid ng off campus. Fighting the ball screen. Yason, Nick is a screen. Oh good. Dito na Ayag. Oh boy dito. Orkeso. Corizo ng basketball. Taken a wide open three. Good. Tawi dito. Aiso, Maki! Maki! He blinds the rim! Grabe, Maki! A fearless drive for Maki Pellegrino. Foul, blocking foul there for Rice's Painting. Wala bang replay dyan? 49.4. 1 minute and 16. Nothing, third quarter. 49.4. A fake, he puts a three. No good. Para almost still. Grabe yun. Sayang. Comes Bulasa. Woo! Bulasa! Grabe, parang nagpakain parang baka. Two trips. Darten shot clock. Original basketball. What will they do now? Warmo. Here comes Maki. Maki now. Great point here for Benban. Bararo bounce. Grabe yun si Kian Carlos Bulasa. Walang laro na walang showtime. Nakawala doon, number 15. Last 10 seconds. 53-46. Maki now. Maki now. Hard drives. Out of bounds with 0.01. A close ball game here. Shout out to 7.9 viewers. Bulasa taking out of bounds. Jesus now on offense. Suwabe, Jesus Painting. Sabi nga nila si Jesus ang pinaka-serious sa laro. Here comes offense for Orizo. Orizo goes. Great stop there for Paterbonia. Oh!
Substitution. Against substitution.
Horns there.
9 minutes and 11.
Sumisigil na lang horns play. Double screen
Against
now.
substitution.
Here comes the horse play for Campos. Painting. Painting again! Jesus Painting! Umiinit na rito. 23-51 for ball game. Foul. Grabe naman yun, Risos. He's leading the team with big shots. He commanded offense. Scores for off-campus residences. A big game here for Isus. Dalawa na lang. Basket good there for number 30. Number 30 on the basketball. Second shot. Good. Back-to-back shot. Good for number 30, Ethan Harrison. 55. 3v1 ang nakalaan. Balik sa apat. Mata with a floater. No good. Tulasa now. Tulasa, lumipad! Woo! Hindi ka na si Panalo. Tulasa. Wow! Grabe naman yun si Giancarlo Molasa. Yama po boss eh. Number 30 on offense. Ang gagawin dito, isolate sa JM. Fuentes. Great defense there, rebound here for Bulasa. Bulasa na, bibigay kay Bahinting. Combo of Bulasa and Bahinting. Bulasa, puta pa 3. In and out. A pass break here. 2 points for Goris College, 57-51. Bulasa, babawi for 2 points. Batang Toril, Giancarlo Bulasa. Seven minutes in the ball game. Out of bounds. Oh! Off bounds from playing here. Bola ng Horizo. Apa na naman ng Horizo. Isaiah now. Isaiah na Iso. Great defense there for JM. Man-to-man DMs. Shot clock violation. Great man-to-man defense there for JM Tanoria and Bobet Baterbonia. Grabe naman yun. Off campus na. Lamang ang Gorizo ng apat. Itang Horseblade again here for off campus. Eliza Iso. Eliza. Great defense there for Bisaya. Sasayawan dito. More Bahinting. Maki. A tough Glory. Shot too good. Si Bisaya. JM now. JM! Woo! Almost a posterizer. Tama. Off campus. Grabing highlights. Munti ka na. Wala off campus. $61-53. 6 minutes and 10 seconds in the ball game. Maki na nagbababa. Maki high drive. Foul.
And there's a concept and there's a foul. Ang hirap na tilingon. Ball on jersey
Ang hirap ng
number
layup. Maki on a bonus shot.
Second personal foul and first team foul. Ito, Maki Pellegrino at the left field was holding again.
First shot here for Maki Pellegrino.
Basket for Maki.
Basket for Maki Pellegrino. 61-54 ating talaan.
And now second for Maki.
Intense ball game here in Babak Sambal Island. Maki now. But first, bonus shots.
61-55. Possession for the Citibos.
Anin na lang lamang ng Orizo. Still here. Mula sa doon.
Ilalabas pa hindi ng Bigorbe. Kasi na tuwa sa Santa Seven.
Tinapo na lang ni James. Ni Butterbonia.
There's a foul here in jersey number 7.
Mas pa ng oras natin. 5 minutes and 53 seconds.
Butterbonia, Petros, getting up.
Mabawi sa free throws dito ang off-campus. Ito sa first shot for Bobet Butterbonia. No good.
Distance na yan. 5 minutes and 23. Importante yung retro. Ayun na naman, yung pinitis
Good shot here for Butterbonia. Ayan! Out of bounds. $61.55. Ating talaan, 61.55. Ani mga bante dito ng Corizo College of Digos with 5 minutes and 46 seconds. Here comes Maki Pellegrino on command. Maki now! Parang nanggigigil lang si Maki now. What a miscommunication there. Ang tawag dito ng referee.
Position for the Citibos.
A waste position there for off campus. Bola ng Corizo, 61-55. Corizo now. Grabe, Corizo. Corizo on offense. He gonna handle. For foul. For Giga yung gawin maglasa. O Maki Pellegrino rather. First personal foul. Foul there for Corizo. 61-55. 5 minutes and 40 seconds for our ball game. Namaan ng Corizo ng 6. Anong gagawin ng off-campus residences? Pahinding an offense. Finding high post on Rene. Great play para steal. Almost steal. Sanoria here. Oh, he lost the ball. Pahinding wide open three. Oh, good. Pahinding dito. Fake. Number 26. Piston. Pellegrino on a pass break. What an unfortunate pass. Maki. Sayang. 61-55. Punong-puno ang Babak Sambal Island Gymnasium.
61-55. Courtesy Tigos position.
Here comes Corizo with the basketball. Finding opportunity in offense. Here with the play. Amades here. 39, he goes up a three. That's good! For number 39 on Corizo College. 64-55. Off campus now. Finding the Bryant. JM. Finding Maki inside. That's goal for Maki Pellegrino. 64-57. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. That's there for Mulasa. Here comes Mulasa now. Watch out. Oh, no foul right there. A panic pass for Mulasa. Still here for Corizo. A travel for Corizo. Karang half campus na pa chance right now. 3 minutes and 27 seconds for our ball game. 64-57. Pagod na ang both teams dito. 7-point lead. Corizo with 3 minutes and 25 seconds of our ball game. Mahinting na tatawid dito para sa off-campus. Mahinting commands. Paisos with a handle. Finding Mulasa, hit po sa patre. Oh, good. A monster rebound there. Number 39 ng Corizo. Ala! Unfortunate, still. A bad pass. Because Maki now with the ball. Siya naman gagawa dito for Off Campus. Maki almost still. Mahinting, hit po sa patre. Oh, short rebound, Renevo, footback. Wala talaga. 2 minutes and 39 seconds. Foul there for Maki. What a game here for Pabaksang Malaylan. One scored but like foul. Maki Pellegrino. 2 free throws with ball possession there for Corizo College.
Now mid-cut rin, mid-cut, high-cut rin.
Oh, good.
Mga mid-cut ay
Ay, siya po rin.
mid-cut na. Kung sa pag-arte. Mid-cut, high-cut, tapos
Sige lang. Apat ang oras. 2 minutes and 37 seconds. Corizo with the basketball. Reyes. Number 7 on move. Reyes with the screen. He pulls up 3. Bang! Number 7. Corizo College. 2 minutes and 23 seconds. Sampu ang lamang ng Corizo Digos. 67-57. With last quarter remaining in our last game here in the Pabaksang Malaylan. Maki Pellegrino in for Off Campus. Checking in for Marcus Sican. Off campus now with the basketball. Paterbonia in the post. Tiny fine offense. Paterbonia powers himself for a block there. Great help for Corizo College of Digos. Last 2 minutes dito for Corizo. Gonna waste his time for Corey Sugalit. Tipo sa putre. A rebound. Grabe. 69-57. A great move there. For Corey Sugalit. Mahinding na nagbababa ng bola. Screen for Bataponia. Ang gagawin ni Mahinding. Ipo sa patre. So good. Mulasa with the rebound. Trying to help him win. Come back. Mulasa with a tray. A tough shot fade away 3 for Giancarlo Mulasa. Oh, double team there. 8 seconds violation. 69-60 ating dalaan with 1 minute and 15 seconds for a ball game. 6 minutes, 1 minute and 15 seconds. 69-60 ating dalaan. Here comes Mulasa inbounding. Mulasa finding Makina on offense. Makina on basketball. He dare to shoot for a pass. A miscommunication there. Total malas talaga ang off-campus ngayon. Katabi dito ang Torres. Seconds to play, 50 seconds on the ball shot clock. Ang game clock, rather. Great ball screen here for number 18. What a move for number 7. Grabe naman yun si number 7. 43 seconds to shoot. 43 seconds to shoot game clock. Mulasa, hipo sa ball. A nice game here, 71-60. Corizo, gonna waste time. Shot clock 25, 15, 12. 71-60. Alverio, Alburo rather.